you doing? Thanks so much for being here today. Today's video lesson, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm instructor Dwayne Jenkins. Thanks so much for being here. If you've been here for the first time, I want to say welcome. And if it's been here before, I want to say welcome back. Now, normally I teach you a guitar lesson on how to play the guitar, but today we're going to do something different. I'm going to show you how to make your own guitar pick, and we're going to do it using this nifty little item right here. It's called the Pick Palooza. It's a
Audio Jungle.
cool little thing that I got for Christmas. I've been wanting to make this video for a while. It's for my friend Angie, so I want to say thank you, Angie, for that. So I'm finally getting around to making this video. Sorry it took so long. But we're going to check this out. It's called the Pick Palooza, and it looks like something that you kind of stamp out your own guitar picks. It says make your own guitar picks. Blue Thunder Pick Palooza. So let's check it out. We'll open it up. Let's see here. Alright, looks to me like it's kind of like a stapler kind of thing. And cool, awesome. And it's got a cool little guitar on there. You can see that. That's pretty neat. Now what you do is you use like a, an old gift card or something like that. Okay, so it says here on the back, three step instructions. Alright, it says here, slide any thin piece of plastic into your Pick Palooza. That's step 1. Step 2, line up the image you want on your new guitar pick. Step 3, press down on the handle and a guitar pick is born. Alright, so let's check it out. She also gave me some of these gift cards. So this one's a Chick-fil-A one and this one is a Hobby Lobby one. So what we're going to do is we're going to put these in there. We'll check out this Chick-fil-A one. And it looks like you just kind of put it in here like this. Line it up in there like that. As you can see, it's lined up in there like this. Okay, and I've got it on the side of the card right here. And then you just punch down. Let's see here. Like that. Boom. Oh, where's the pick? Is it here? It should be here somewhere. I don't see it. Must have fell on the ground or something. Oh, it should have popped out of there. Oh, there it is. It's right here. Okay, I didn't see it. See, right there. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Cool little guitar pick. This one's white. Got a little of the fillet part on there. I'm going to see if I can make one that has the chick part on there. So what you do is you line up the image, whatever image you want, and you put it in there. So I'm going to try to line it up where it says chick on there. And it looks like out of a gift card you could probably make 3 of them, but since I'm going to try to line up the chick, I'm probably only going to be able to make 2 of them out of this card, but that's okay. Let's see how this goes. So we just do that, and boom, the comes out. Where is it? Oh, here it is right there. Look, there we got it. The chick right there from the Chick-fil-A on the pick. Isn't that cool? So if you have like some plastic or something that has an image on there and you want to put it on there, you can, and it'll give you a pick. So you got it. Really cool little pick. Pretty neat. I got another thing here. This is a Hobby Lobby gift card. It's got some flowers on there, so I thought I would do one with some flowers. So let's check that out. Let's see if we can do one of those. All right, so we'll do this one here like this. Let's see. All right. So kind of line it up, and you can actually on the bottom you can kind of see where it's what it's gonna kind of be punched out at. So you could actually do it from the bottom. See, from the bottom you can see the image. So that might be even easier to just look at the image from the bottom. That's actually better. I didn't realize that at first. And so I'm going to put these flowers on this one. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. And then just punch it out like that. Boom, there it is. And see, now we got a pick that has some flowers on it. Isn't that cool? Now I would recommend maybe it looks to me like the edges are a little frayed. It could be just from the gift card. I'm not really sure, but you might want to just file the edges down a little bit, take like a nail file or something like that and just kind of file those because they're kind of a little bit rough. But once you get that down, it'll be really, really cool. Let's see, let's try to make another one here. Yeah, so I would recommend, it looks to me like do it from this end here, because you can see the image. I was doing it like this from the top, like a stapler but it seems like it would be better to do it like this because you can see the image. So let's see, what if I did one that said Hobby Lobby? Well, that's kind of cool. Although I can't really get the whole Hobby Lobby on there. That's the only problem. So we've got a few options here. I could do another one with the flowers on there. Yeah, this is really cool because you can see the image. You can see the image that's going to be on the pick. So that's pretty cool. I like that. So that's how I would do it. And I've never done this before, so I've never used this product, but it's pretty cool. I'm going to make another one real quick here. Boom. Pop that out. Oh, that one fell on the ground. But anyway, as you can see, I did a couple other ones out of this other one here. So we've got this one here, the flowers, got the white one, says Chick-fil-A on it. And looks like we could probably make another one here out of this. Let's see, yeah. So you could probably make 3 of them out of a gift card. This one's going to have another thing on it. All right. Yeah, so as you can see, now we've got the gift cards. So you could probably make 3 of them out of a gift card or an old credit card or something like that. We could probably make even one more out of this Chick-fil-A. And as you can see, this one, it's got the yellow flower on there. So that's pretty cool. So now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then that one that fell down here somewhere. And then we got, looks like we could probably make one more here. So we'll make one more there. Let me see. Well, no, I can't really make one more. I should move that one over to the first one. But anyway, if you move them over enough, you could probably make 3 of them out of a card. So if you want to make your own picks, I would recommend this thing right here, the Pick Palooza. Very cool. Like on the bottom, you can see the image that's going to be on the pick, and it works kind of like a stapler. You just push on it, and boom, it'll cut right through there. And like a gift card or an old credit card or something like that will work perfect for it. So that's what I'd recommend. And this is a great item. It's made out of metal. It's really really heavy duty. It's got a nice, cool guitar on there. It said Pick Palooza on there. That is very cool, and you can see. In the bottom here, you can see the shape of the guitar pick right there. It's going to punch it out. So yeah, this is cool. And then when you're done using it, just press on it, and it has this like rubber band thing that kind of keeps it down like that. And then you just, can store it back in the plastic bag that it came in. And put it back in your box. And then when you have some old gift cards that are done, you don't have to throw them away. You can now make your own guitar picks. And then you just store it in the box, fits right back in there, boom, and then you're ready to go for the next time that you get some gift cards. Because we always get gift cards for like Christmas and stuff like that. So when they run out, instead of throwing them away, you can use them, make your own picks with the Pick Palooza. Alright, so that's our lesson for today. Keep practicing. If you have any questions, let me know. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. And I will see you at our next lesson where we'll be learning how to play the guitar. So until then, take care.